to this rainstorm passing over. It's a new day. It's about 8:45 a.m. and you might have the illusion that I'm actually awake right now. We have to go to Imigrasi in Denpasar and extend my visa today. So the earlier you get there, the earlier you get in the queue, and the smoother it all goes. So we're on our way there now. So busy here. I hope that's not for the Imigrasi, because that's as busy on the street as it used to be. Let's see what we got here when we pull in a map set. Oh my god, is it cool, Mama? It's a lot different than before. We had to pass security back there in the entrance, and there's no parking over here. Usually this is full of scooters right here, all the way back to that end of the building under that tree. You see it?
Ticket number C056. Please go to photo room 2.
Okay, time to jam. Hey look, that's a Toyota Rush. I love that name. That's the best name for a car ever, Rush. Let's see if Getty Lee is driving. Getty! Yo, Getty! Wee-hee! Okay, so we're back, and that was super easy. It's mainly because of the, by the way, look at that. The new kitty got that all over our seat. That's on the Honda Beat. Anyway, it was a lot easier this time, more controlled. They made me use hand sanitizer before I went in, and everybody's wearing a mask. Other than that, it's pretty much the same thing, except they have the counters outside. So you go outside first, and then you show them, and then they'll let you in. And then everything's the same inside. Just walk up to the counter. Right now, of course, you're gonna have to have an agent, so just show the picture on your phone of the paid receipt, and then they know who you are, verify your name, grab number. I was like 6 numbers away, so we were in and out in 10 minutes. Same thing inside the photo room, all fingerprints, 1 photo, and 2 questions. You know, what are you doing here, and where are you staying? And the only reason they need to know where you're staying is because if it's Denpasar, it has to be the Denpasar office, or if it's outside of Denpasar to the south, it has to be in the Jimbaran office. So everything's pretty much the same, I would say. And yeah, it's nice to be home. I'm kind of tired, but actually I'm kind of awake now. You like our house has been blessed here by our friends. And what else can I show you? Everything's looking good. That's our bedroom there. And this is our driveway, as you can see. So yeah, life is okay. It's a new day. We're out here on Batu Belig beach, Pantai Batu Belig. Looking around for my buddy, but just enjoying the sunset. Some really nice clouds in the background, I'll show you. Other than that, pretty clear. The tide is pretty out right now, and it's just great to be here. He doesn't even know, he doesn't see us yet here. So this beach is about a 5-minute ride now from our new place, which is really awesome. And the girls' taekwondo, it's 5 minutes from taekwondo, which is 5 minutes from our place. So we drop the girls off for their classes, and then we can just come hang out here. Mom is in the water because a red ant bit her in the parking lot. She stepped on a nest. That sucks. That truly sucks. I hate red ants. One bit me in Texas when I was like, I don't know, 12 or 13 or something like that. Just had a good chat with my buddy. Sun went down. The breeze feels so good on this beach right now here at Batu, Belig. This is what I miss so much. All that moving, all that stress of the move, that was about a 1-month process to get everything done. Because there's so much that goes into it that you just don't realize, especially when you're in a different part of the world. And between all the, the remodeling that we had to have done, and the furniture, and the just everything, and then working out the kinks after the fact, because we had a sudden rainstorm, 2:30 in the morning, a couple nights ago. The rain's hitting so hard it wakes you up from your sleep, which is awesome, by the way. And then, of course, there's a leak in the upstairs light fixture, and we're sitting there replacing buckets. So just teething issues is the only thing we're doing now. But it just feels so good to be free of the move. And here we are at the very end of June, and I can enjoy being here. It's a great place. Granted, there's still a few people with masks. Not a lot, but a few, and that sucks. But someday everybody will wake up. Alright, who wants to take a guess? As we wait, and we wait, kind of like the first couple nights I was here and got back to Bali. We are at, that's right, you guessed it, Circle K. Mama doesn't want to show her face. Okay. It's really nice out. It was great to go to Batu Belig. It was refreshing. It was exactly what I needed. All right, so you got to see the size of this guy. So for comparison, he's huge. So I kid you not, after I got the other one outside, his buddy decided to come in. Look at that. Alright, it's a new day, a new night actually, and Mama had to go to the store to get some more ingredients, so I got put in charge of cooking. I made sure it didn't stick to the pan, so we're good there. Over here we already have some fresh fried chicken already done. The vegetables ready to cook right here. And then some meat, which is noodles. So by the time I get this video edited, you'll probably already know from the news, Bali and Java are both shutting down for 17 days until July 20th. And they're going on the full lockdown with the 8 p.m. curfew. And apparently, if you're not wearing your mask and you get stopped for that, and you're not a resident, there's no more 1 million rupiah fine, but just deportation. So we'll see what happens, I guess. So this is out on, I'll put the name of the road on screen. And yeah, of course we took the Honda Beat, and we're here at the Cake Man. So this is our local cake man. We're trying his cakes today. I'll show you the menu here. A little more expensive, but I expect it'll be pretty darn good because he's making it fresh, right? And yeah, there was a bunch of people on the block, and they were like, "Oh, come on down here, come on." And so what I did was I had a beer and I didn't have enough for everybody, so I poured it in a plastic cup because I felt bad. And then I walked down there and I was just sipping on the beer, and there was one guy that knew some English, and so I had somebody to talk to, and it was really nice. And there was one petulant there. There was like the block leader, and then a lot of people on the block talking about how the road's gonna get paved probably starting next week. So just for the hell of it, we took a ride out to the very end of a neighboring road. We found this dry rice field out here, and then there's some more streets, and then back all the way down that way is the main road we came from. Oh, and there's a bat or something out. Yep. Bat, right? Bat, Mama?
Look,
That thing flying around. Right there.
bat.
Yeah, that's a bat. You see it? Yeah, that's a bat. Cool, we found a bat. Okay, got a ride. So we're back now. Mama's cleaning her kitchen, and I want to show you the cake. It's got chocolate in the middle and some other flavors and some sprinkles. And it's really, really, really good. So that cake costs 22,000 rupiah, which is about $1.50, $1.55. So now that you've got a little glimpse of our new kitchen and stove, you can see that Mama's cooking feet.